Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a photon. So this is the fancy photon you get, and since it's blinking blue, that means that we can officially set it up. It is in photon setup mode. So we're going to pull up the Particle app on our phone. We're going to set up a new device and click photon. So it tells us that we need to plug it in, to a power source, which we're using the computer I'm recording this on. The photon itself should be blinking blue, which it is. And the device is connected to the internet, which it is. So we'll go down here, we'll push ready on that. So now it's telling me showing us how to go and select the photon from the internet. So we'll set the photon down, go into the settings here. This pulls up all the different internet sources available. It shows the one I'm connected to. If you go down to where it says photon-FYWN, that is the photon device I have here. The last 4 digits could be different for you, but it should start with photon no matter what. Now, I just got a notification. Your phone is connected to the Particle device. Tap to continue setup. So we'll go there. It'll take us back to the app. It's going to verify that the photon is connected to the internet. So we'll give that a minute here. Alright, it just did it. So it's asking for if I want to claim ownership of this Particle device, and I do, because I indeed own it, paid money for it and everything. And now we wait. It's going to verify again. Now we have to select our internet that we want to run the photon off of, which we're going to select the same one we were on whenever we first started. So now it's going to configure the Wi-Fi for the photon. You saw it do some crazy light action there to show that it was connecting and setting up. It's configured the Wi-Fi credentials. Now it's just connecting to the network. This could take a little bit here. So we'll give it some quick time to let it get connected. If you don't have it connected to the internet, it's not going to do anything for you. So, alright, we are connected now. We will name the device. I'm just going to use the generic name, so my photon is officially Ninja Robot. Hit done on that one. And now it's set up. It's hooked to our phone. So it's hooked to the internet. And then there's some things we can do with that. So we'll go click on Tinker here with the photon. That lets us do some different things. One thing we can do, there is a built-in LED at pin D7. So if we click on D7 and click digital write, right now it's on low, it's a little hard to see, but if we put it on high, there's the blue light. Another thing we can do, get the phone repositioned a little bit here, we can click on any of the pins, like A0, do an analog read, just like that. It gives us a value right there of 1674. A0 is down here at the very bottom, which is actually the top on this one. I'm holding the photon upside down. At least in my opinion, I would consider the part where the cord goes in the top. So it's reading 1674 sitting there by itself. And you can adjust that. You know, those are pretty sensitive pins. Like if we touch on it, the value goes all the way down to 1, almost 0. Release it, back to 1671. So I hope that this quick video gave you a good idea of how to set up your photon. And if, we'll see what other kind of crazy things we can do with photons in the future. Thank you.